Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss new concept of matrices, that is transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix means let A be any matrix whose order is m cross n. Then the matrix is obtained interchanging their rows into columns. Then the matrix is called as a transpose of a matrix. We are going to take a matrix whose order will be m cross n. Then we are going to interchanging their rows into column. Then that matrix is called as a transpose of a matrix. And that matrix can be denoted as A dash or A to the power of t. Look at here. If A is a matrix whose order is m cross n, that A be a matrix whose order will be m cross n, then the matrix is obtained by interchanging their rows and columns of a matrix. A is called as a transpose of a matrix. So we are going to interchanging rows in terms of columns of a matrix. A is called as a transpose of matrix. Then this matrix can be denoted as A dash or A to the power of t. For example, look at here, I am taking a matrix A whose order will be 3 cross 2. We are going to consider a matrix that order will be 3 cross 2. So now I am going to find this matrix is a transpose of a matrix. So already we know that transpose of matrix means in matrix we are interchanging this row in terms of columns. So look at here, this is A dash, we can denote the transpose of a matrix. So here 1, 2 is in a row, next in A dash we are going to write in a column. So this matrix is called as a transpose of a matrix. So look at here, all these elements, here 3 rows are there, next 2 columns are there. 3 rows, 2 columns. When we are interchanging these rows into column, then it will be in a 2 cross 3. That is 2 rows, 3 columns. Okay. So now, next come to the properties of the transpose of a matrix. So properties of the transpose of a matrix means for any matrices A and B, their suitable order we can take, that is first one, A dash whole dash is equal to A. A dash whole dash is equal to, then we will get a same matrix, that is A. Okay. Next is second property is K into A whole dash is equal to. So here K is a scalar constant, or you can simply call it as a constant. After applying the transpose of the matrix, we will get K is a constant, right? Then we will get only A dash, K into A dash, where K is any constant. Next, third, A plus B whole dash is equal to, A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Next, fourth one is very important. Based on this property, we will ask 5 marks question. AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. First, we can take B dash into A dash. So these 4 properties are very important. Based on this property, we will ask questions. So this question can be asked in 3 marks based on this property, and definitely this property will ask in 5 marks. Okay. Next we are going to discuss some more example of transpose of a matrix. Before that, please pause the video and note down. Okay students, let us discuss example number 20 based on a transpose of a matrix. So look at here, if A is a matrix whose order will be 2 cross 3 and B is a matrix whose order will be same, that is 2 cross 3, verify that A dash whole dash is equal to A plus whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash, and the third one will be KB, मतलब K is a constant into B whole dash is equal to K into B dash where K is a constant. Okay friends, already we are discussed the properties of a transpose of matrix. We can verify that. Okay, so चलिए solution. First one, A dash whole dash is equal to A. Okay. So first, let A is a matrix that is 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. This order will be 2 cross 3. Then A dash is equal to transpose of this matrix will be interchanging these rows in terms of column. 3 root 3 2. Next, second row we can write in a column, that is 4 2 0. This is an A dash. Next we have to apply one more kind of transpose, that is A dash whole dash is equal to, already we are find out the value of A dash. Now we have to find one more transpose of this matrix, so this row in terms of column. This is equal to, so this 3 4 is in row. Next we can write in column. So root 3 2, next 2 0. So this matrix is equal to E. Therefore A dash whole dash is equal to E. Next, second one, A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Okay, so first we have to take LHS is equal to A plus B whole dash is equal to, first we can add these two matrices, after we can apply the transpose of matrix. First, when you are going to solve the algebraic, first we can solve in bracket. Next, A plus B is equal to 3 root 3 2 4 2 0 plus B matrix 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. Now A matrix order will be 2 cross 3, B matrix order will be 2 cross 3. Then we can add these two matrices with the corresponding elements. 3 plus 2 is 5, root 3 minus 1 as it is, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, 0 plus 4 will be 4. Now this is an A plus B matrix. We can apply the transpose of this matrix A plus B whole dash is equal to, that is, now this matrix order will be 2 cross 3. After the interchanging rows into column we will get a 3 cross 2, right? So here these rows we can write in a column, 5 root 3 minus 1 4 5 4 4. So this is an A plus B whole dash. This order will be 3 cross 2. Look at here. A plus B will be 2 cross 3, whose order will be 2 cross 3. After the applying the transpose of matrix, then A plus B whole dash, that order will be 3 cross 2. Okay. Now we can take RHS, that is A dash plus B dash. So A dash is equal to A matrix. We can apply a transpose of that matrix. So here that is 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. Then B dash will be 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. Look at here. I am taking transpose of B dash and A dash. So now we are going to add these two matrices. So already we know that these two matrix order will be 3 cross 2. Right? Now we can add A dash B dash. A dash plus B dash is equal to 3 4 root 3 2 2 0 plus B dash 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4. this is equal to a dash plus b dash is equal to, look at here, these two matrix order will be same, that is 3 cross 2, 3 cross 2. Now we can add the corresponding elements. 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 1 will be 5, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, 2 plus 2 will be 4, next 2 plus 2 will be 4, 0 plus 4 is 4. Now you can check out a plus b whole dash is equal to a dash plus b dash. These two matrix elements will be same, therefore a plus b whole dash is equal to a dash plus b dash. Okay, next third one, that is k into b whole dash is equal to k b dash. So we can just multiply k with b matrix. So k into b is equal to, so now I am multiplying this b matrix will be k, 2k minus k, 2k, next k, 2k, then 4k. Now we can apply the transpose of kb whole dash is equal to, interchange the rows into columns, 2k minus k, 2k, next k, 2k, that is 4k. Okay, now we can take the RHS, so this is equal to, again put in LHS. Now RHS is k into b dash, so k into b dash is transpose of b matrix, 2 minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Now this is equal to, next what we have to do, this k is a constant, we can multiply all the elements of b matrix, so that will be equal to k into 2, 2k, then k into 1, k, k into minus 1, minus k, k into 2, 2k, so k into 2, 2k, k into 4 is 4k. Now this is equal to, look at here, kb whole dash is equal to k into b dash, therefore k into b whole dash is equal to k into b dash. Both the matrix will be equal. Okay, so next example, before that please pause the video for now. Okay friends, next example is 21. This is very important. Already I told that in the properties of transpose of a matrix, that is AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. This matrix will ask in a 5 marks question. Okay, this question will be 5 marks. So look at here. First we have to verify that AB whole dash equal to B dash into A dash. So solution, given A matrix is minus 2, 4, 5, B matrix is equal to 1, 3, minus 6. Now first we can multiply AB matrix, after that we can apply the transpose matrix. Then AB is equal to, A matrix is minus 2, 4, 5 into B matrix 1, 3, minus 6. So look at here, when we are going to multiply these two matrices, first we can check the order. That should be 3 cross 1. A matrix order is 3 cross 1. B matrix order is 1 cross 3. So A matrix column, B matrix row will be equal. Then the matrix order will be 3 cross 3. Now this is equal to, first row first column, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Or next element is not there. Next, first row second column, minus into plus is minus, 2 3 is 6. First row third column, minus into minus plus 2 6 is 12. Okay, so next, second row first column, 4 into 1 is 4. Second row second column, 4 3 is 12. Second row third column, plus into minus minus, 4 6 is 24. Next, third row first column, that is minus 2, minus 6, 12, 4, 12, minus 24, 5, 15, minus 30. Okay, so now we can take B dash into A dash for a transpose of A matrix. So here A matrix is in a column, only one column, right, in a row, that is minus 2, 4, 5. Next one B matrix is in a row, right, in a column, that is B dash is equal to 1, 3, minus 6. Now we can multiply B dash into A dash is equal to B dash will be 1, 3, minus 6. A dash is minus 2, 4, 5. Now we can multiply first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Okay, so same thing, the matrix order will be same as this matrix. Okay, so 3 cross 1 and 1 cross 3, this matrix column and this matrix row will be same, then the matrix order will be 3 cross 3. So this is first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. So first column 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, first row, second column, first row, third column. Next, second row, first column, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Next, third row, first column, minus into minus plus, 6 2s are 12, plus into minus minus, 6 4s are 24, plus into minus minus, 6 5s are 30. So this matrix is equal to AB whole dash. Therefore, AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Look at here, minus 2, 4, 5, minus 6, 12, 15, 12, minus 24, minus 30. So AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So before that, please pause the video now. Okay students, next we are going to discuss, that is a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrices. So symmetric matrix means A is an any square matrix. A is an any square matrix is said to be symmetric if A dash is equal to A. If A dash is equal to A. So A is a square matrix. After applying the transpose of matrix, we will get A only. Then that matrix is called as a symmetric matrix. So symmetric matrix is A square matrix is said to be symmetric. That A is a square matrix is said to be symmetric if A dash is equal to A. This is very important. A can any square matrix after applying the transpose of this matrix will get A only. For example, this A matrix. Now I am going to transpose of this matrix A dash is equal to. So interchanging these rows into column, right? So root 3 2 3, root 3 2 3. Next 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 1, 3 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 1. So check out here, root 3 2 3, 2 minus 4 minus 1, 3 minus 1 1. So this matrix is equal to A. So A dash is equal to A square matrix whose transpose will be equal to A. Then A matrix is called as a symmetric matrix. Same thing in a skew symmetric matrix. A is a square matrix is said to be a skew symmetric matrix. A dash is equal to minus A. A dash is equal to minus A. Look at here. Suppose B is a matrix. So E is a skew symmetric matrix, that is B dash is equal to minus B. So now this is a B matrix. I am going to transpose of this matrix. B dash is equal to, interchanging the rows into columns, 0 E F minus E, 0 Z minus F minus Z, 0. Okay. So now I am taking minus is common. Minus common in the means we can multiply the minus in all the elements of this matrix. So minus into 0 is 0, minus into minus plus E plus F. So minus E, 0 plus G minus F minus G, 0. So look at here, this matrix will be B matrix. So B matrix is called as a skew symmetric matrix. That is, A is a square matrix is said to be a skew symmetric matrix. A dash is equal to minus 3. So remember one thing, this means that all the diagonal elements will be 0. Okay, when we are going to take the skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so please follow the video note. Okay students, next one more theorem is there. This theorem is will ask in a previous question. So that is, for any square matrix A with real number entries A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So you have to show that or prove A plus A dash is in a symmetric and A minus A dash is in a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so proof. Let I am taking this A plus A dash is in a B matrix. Let B is equal to A plus A dash. Symmetric matrix means, that is, we know that A dash is equal to A. A is in any square matrix. If A dash is equal to A is called as a symmetric matrix. Same thing. Now I am applying this matrix is a transpose. So that is, B dash is equal to A plus A dash whole dash. Now I am applying the transpose of this B matrix. So now this is equal to, so this is A plus A dash whole dash is equal to, we know that A plus B whole dash is equal to the sum of individual of their transposes. A dash plus B dash, already we know that the properties of transpose of the matrices, right? So same thing, I am applying the transpose of these two terms, that is A dash plus, already A dash is there, now another one is transpose, that is whole dash. So this is equal to A dash plus, we know that A dash whole dash will be A, right? So now this matrix will be A. Now this is equal to A plus A dash. We will be satisfying addition. A plus A dash, I am writing A plus A dash. So this matrix is called as, this term will be B. Look at here, I am taking B. B is an A plus A dash. We got A plus A dash, that is equal to B. Therefore, B dash is equal to B. Therefore, B is an symmetric matrix. B is an symmetric matrix. Now we can take this A minus A dash is C matrix. C is equal to A minus A dash. Same thing, in a skew symmetric matrix we have to prove C dash is equal to minus C. Symmetric means A dash is equal to A. Now I am taking A is a square matrix. We are going to show that is a skew symmetric matrix, that is C dash is equal to minus C. Same thing, now apply the transpose of matrix. C dash is equal to A minus A dash whole dash. Same thing, so this is equal to A dash minus A dash whole dash. We can take the individual transpose of that matrix. So this is equal to A dash minus A dash whole dash is equal to A. Now here I am taking common is minus. I am taking a common is minus, that is minus of, so this term will be positive, A minus A dash. So minus of A minus A dash is equal to C. I am taking A minus A dash will be C. Okay, so C dash is equal to minus C. Therefore C is an skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so please follow the order. So students, one more note point is there here. So this is, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So already we know that symmetric is A dash is equal to A. A is called as a symmetric matrix, and A dash is equal to minus A, then A is called as a skew symmetric matrix. Now we are going to discuss sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix is A is equal to 1 by 2a plus a dash plus 1 by 2a minus a dash. So we have to remember these things. Okay, so please note all these things. Okay, friends. So this is question based on sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This question will ask you 5 marks question. That is based on sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. There are sum of matrix symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, that is A is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 into A minus A dash, right? So here A is here the matrix will be B. Now that is B is equal to 1 by 2 B plus B dash plus 1 by 2 B minus B dash. We have to show that in the means adding these two terms will get a same matrix, that is B. Okay. So B matrix is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. Then B dash is equal to, just we can take the transpose of this matrix rows in terms of column. 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now we can add these two matrix. B plus B dash is equal to, order will be same. This matrix order will be 3 cross 3. This matrix order will be 3 cross 2. Then we can add these two matrix corresponding elements. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 minus 2 will 2. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 2 plus 4 is 2. Minus 3 plus minus 3 is minus 6. Okay. Now I am taking P is equal to 1 by 2 into B plus B dash. Okay. So 1 by 2 P is equal to B plus B dash is 4 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 6 2 minus 3 2 minus 6. Now this is equal to, just we can multiply 1 by 2 these elements. 4 by 2 is 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 6 by 2 is 3, then 2 by 2 is 1 minus 3 by 2, next 2 by 2 is 1 minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. Okay, this is will be P matrix. Now next we can take B minus B dash. B minus B dash is equal to, so already you know that B matrix 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus of B dash 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 minus 4 4 minus 3. Okay, I am taking B dash is this is equal to 2 minus 2 is 0 minus 2 minus into minus plus, that is minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 minus 1 minus into minus plus, minus 1 plus 2 is 1 3 minus 3 is 0 4 minus into minus plus 4 plus 2 is 6 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 minus 3 minus into minus plus 3, that will be 0. Now I am taking the Q is equal to 1 by 2 B minus B dash. So this is equal to 1 by 2 B minus B dash is 0 minus 1 minus 5 1 0 6 5 minus 6 0. Okay. Now multiply 1 by 2 these elements. 0 divided by anything is 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 then 1 by 2 0, that is 6 by 2 is 3 5 by 2 next minus 6 by 2 is minus 3 0. Okay, now we can add the P plus Q. P matrix and Q matrix we have to add, we will get a B matrix only. So P is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 3 1 minus 3 by 2 1 minus 3. Then Q matrix. Q will be 1 by 2 B minus B dash, this term. Okay. So 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2 0 3. 5 by 2 minus 3 0. So now we can add these two matrix, order will be same. So 2 plus 0 will be 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That is, these two term denominator will be same, just you can add the numerator, that is minus 4 by 2 minus 4 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 8 by 2. Just you can add the numerator terms because denominator will be same. Minus 2 plus 1 by 2 is minus 2 by 2. 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Next, minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is 2 by 2. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 minus 3. So this is equal to 2 minus 4 by 2 is minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. So you can check out the B matrix. 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 4. So this is equal to B. Okay. Therefore 1 by 2 B plus B dash plus 1 by 2 B minus B dash. So this is a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay. So this question will be asked in 5 marks when the order will be 3 cross 3. Suppose the matrix order will be in 2 cross 2. The question will be in 3 marks. Okay. So please pause the video and note down.